Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to calculate the stock value in Excel. So let's start. Here you can see I have data, product list, closing quantity, unit cost, and here I'm going to calculate stock value. So first select the cell, use the is equal to, select the closing quantity of your stock and then add here the asterisk sign, select the unit cost and press the enter, and that's it. Here the stock value is calculated. Then select the cell and double click on this corner point and you can see the all product stock value here calculated. To calculate the total value of all inventory, select the cell and you can press here the shortcut key Alt is equal to sum all the stock value and press the enter, and here the sum amount is calculated. Okay, and next here I show you to highlight the high value stock using the conditional formatting. So let's see. So first select the entire column. Okay, then go to the home tab. In style group, here you can see the conditional formatting. In highlight cells group, select the greater than first option, and here the small dialog box is open, greater than. In format cell that are greater than, so enter here the amount. You can select also, just click on this arrow and select the particular amount. So I just type here 2 lakh, greater than 2 lakh. I'm going to highlight. Okay. With this switch color, so I just click on this drop down arrow and here I select the green field with the dark green text. Okay. After that, click on OK, and here see the greater than 2 lakh stock highlighted. Okay. Next, to find the highest stock value. So here I'm going to use max function. Okay. I select the here cell, use equal to, then type here max function, select the max function and select here the entire stock value column. Okay, then bracket close and enter. So you can see maximum stock value 6,75,000. Okay. To find the minimum stock value, select the cell, use this equal to and type here mean function. Select the mean function and select the entire column and press the enter, and that's it. Here the minimum stock value is 54,000. Okay. So here I insert the one column, then I type here max value and mean value. Now here I calculate average value. So select the cell is equal to, type here average and select here the average function, select the entire column and press the enter. Here the average amount calculated of the stock values. This is a way you can calculate stock value in Excel. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.